Hello, fellow traders. 'Tis I, the Rumpled One. Well, I guess Sam Seiden believes in the myth of time frames. See, what we're looking at right here is a 1-minute chart. And most people would say, a 1-minute chart, that's noise. A tick chart, that's noise. But the reality is, and I've told you this before, fellow traders, there's only one true chart, and that's the 1-tick chart. Everything else is data compression. So every one of those candles on the screen, those candles, that's all the ticks in 1 minute. And so now you see what happens is, if we go up and we look at a 5-minute chart, you see this 5-minute candle consists of 5 1-minute candles. So that's all the price action that's happened during that 5 minutes. Okay? It's true of any of these. But then somebody says, well, that's still noise. So then we can go up to 15 minutes. Well, these are all the ticks, all the 1-minute candles, all the 5-minute candles in the past 15 minutes. So it's all the same data. It's just as you increase the chart period or time period, now we're looking at 30-minute, you're just looking at more data compressed. It's that simple. You see this chart right here? You see where this high is? You see where this low is? It's the same on all time periods. Let's go all the way back to 1 minute and let's just compress it. You see? There they are. You see that one down there? It's the same. So if we go up, okay, now let's look at the 1-hour chart. You see how we've got that data compressed? We can go up to 4 hours. But you see those highs and lows are still the same. Now we can go all the way up to the daily chart. We can expand it out because there's only so much data. But look at the high and look at the low. And now, if we go to weekly, you can see the same highs and lows. Point being is, it's all the same data. It's just compressed from one time frame to the next. So to say something such as, well, here on the 15-minute chart, here is supply and demand, or here's supply, or here's demand and here's supply, well, guess what? It's going to be on the same place on the 5-minute chart. It's the same data. So, fellow traders, don't be fooled by different time frames. Sure, if you're going to run something like a moving average, the moving average on the 5-minute chart is going to be different than the moving average on the daily chart. That's just plain and simple. But the thing is, the high of the day on the 5-minute chart is going to be the same as the high of the day on the daily chart. That's my point. So don't be fooled. Because remember, fellow traders, it's not what you trade, it's how you trade it.